So in here I have half a can of crushed tomatoes, but it's a large can, so I'm going to divide it into two sauces. The next sauce we'll do in just a moment. So here's the bell peppers and tomatoes and jalapenos. I'm going to add the whole thing in. So now I'll add a little bit right now to blend it, and then I'll add the rest later. One more thing that I want to add is fresh oregano. You can use dried if you have. So I'm going to take out. Okay, so I'm going to blend this. Now we're just going to cook our sauce. So for our next salsa, we are going to use a little bit more of a spice. Shh! Cállese, cabrón! For this salsa, we're going to step it up a little bit. We're going to step it up a notch with the heat. We're going to put some California for just flavor. And then we're going to add chile de arbol and some pumpkin seeds. I'm going to toast this on the comal. Then I want this one to be creamy from the pumpkin seeds and spicy, because the other one will not have any spice. It's just going to give you that rich tomato acidity flavor. So we're going to get the toasted peppers and pumpkin seeds into a pan. This recipe is super affordable with crushed tomatoes in a can. We're going to add that in there. That way we can all make it. We're going to boil this till the chilies are tender, and then we're going to blend it with some salt, and that's it. I'm gonna make some beans. So into a pot, I want to add some pinto beans. I'm gonna add some water. I want to add an avocado leaf and a bay leaf. Then I have a mortar and pestle. You can use a spice grinder. I've got some toasted seeds. I call this the triple C's. It's got cumin, coriander, and peppercorns. Black peppercorn. We're gonna add this into a nice mortar and pestle of your choice. I like the wooden one. Okay, so into a nice little powder. And I'm going to add that right now so it can marry into the beans. So I'll allow this to cook for about 40 minutes to an hour. So we're going to make the marinade for our steak. I want to get some orange juice. Okay, so our orange juice is in the liquid. The next thing that I want to do is I want to add liquid smoke, mesquite, add about a teaspoon. I have a mix of spices here. I'll put them in the description below because it's a long list. And some seasonings. I'm going to use Lori's carne asada. You want to use anything you have, anything that you like. Just make sure that in the back, it doesn't have any cooked chicken or anything like that. Consomme has chicken in it, so I don't use it. And this is one of my favorite taco seasonings. I've been using it lately and it's been cool. Okay, I'm going to whisk that. And just a hint more of salt. And we're going to add our soy kernels in here. I'm going to let it set. I'm going to let it marinate. This was a lot of hard work. But as you can see, it looks fantastic. This looks so good. It looks like a Mexican version of a banh mi. So let's give it a shot. Sabrosísimo. The drier your bread, the better. Because it's going to absorb a lot of moisture. That is bomb. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Like and subscribe and stick around for more friends. Bye.